someone introduced me to Dr. Onyedika, and I started doing that, and today, ladies and gentlemen, my energy is unparalleled. Hi everyone, we're in the platform of vibrant health community of HLS Growth Mindset and Integrative Lifestyle Academy, and here with me is my doctor, Dr. Onyedika. Years back, I was dealing with some stress-related challenges. I am a conventional medical doctor, and of course my lifestyle gave me a lot of acidity of the blood due to my worrying habit, my negatively programmed mindset, and I began to feel low energy, depression, panic attacks, and indigestion. I traveled to London, traveled to Germany to look for the reasons. They told me some of the things I was doing was wrong, and then I came back to Nigeria, and I used to have a lot of chest tightness. I went to the medical doctors. They did a cardiovascular check on me, and they gave me a clean bill of health. They said my cardiovascular was good. Then someone introduced me to Dr. Onyedika, and he now did a scan, and you know what? I had 8 red signals out of 9 parameters of the cardiovascular system. What was going on? The vessels of my heart were already getting clogged, and so I was not having enough blood circulation in my organs, and my organs were beginning to malfunction. And he now said to me, you need to watch your lifestyle. Take some nutritional supplements that had capacity to help your body to reverse the clogging, and of course watch your diet. And I started doing that, and today, ladies and gentlemen, my energy is unparalleled. And so I decided to bring Dr. Onyedika to talk to us about these affordable quantum scanning machines, and of course this one that is called the non-linear body analyzing machine. Dr. Onyedika, this machine is a very wonderful instrument because I've done it severally, and it's actually like telling me the progression I'm making with my health. So I'd like you to tell Nigerians, what is this equipment and what is it all about? What value can it add to our lives?
Thank you, ma'am. So this device is called a non-linear system analyzer. Personally, I call it a complete lab because it will replace the need for X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan. The information you are seeking in those scans, you can get them here, including blood works like food blood counts, urinalysis, hormonal profile. When you're looking for levels of PSA, that's prostate-specific antigen, follicle-stimulating hormone level, luteinizing hormone level for people who are looking for the fruit of the womb, mineral levels, vitamin levels. You can get all those information from this device. Now, when it comes to pathologies, this device is an early detector of pathologies. The moment a pathology starts on any cell, tissue, or organ of the body, it picks it even before you start experiencing symptoms. That's the advantage of this device. Because, take for example, if a malignant tumor is developing in a cell or a tissue, if you're able to do this scan and pick it early enough, you can do something about it.
Exactly.
And prevent the danger of suffering from a terminal disease. I encourage everyone to go through this exercise of doing a proper health check with this device, and you can guarantee that you can predict your health status in the near future and know that you have nothing to fear. There are certain pathologies that develop in our system that does not show symptoms. So that's the advantage of this device. It picks it at cellular level and gives you the advantage to know about it and do something about it on time. Preventive measure is the advantage that you get by using this device to do a full body health check.
Fantastic, Dr. Onyedika. That's a wonderful, wonderful, very powerful conversation. And of course, you know I am passionate about the health, energy, and well-being of men, women, and youths. I always ask, we are so busy promoting our careers and our businesses to make money. But you know something? Our body is one of the most vital positions we have. True or false? True. When health fails, everything else fails. And I'm going to have a conversation like this. Many people, without even knowing it, are walking around with multiple body dysfunctions, vitamin and mineral deficiencies, which may not even have reached the stage of being detected by the conventional medical system. And everybody assumes that they are fine, then one day something may just happen. So please, Nigerians, it's important we subscribe to this non-linear body analyzing machine that can tell you everything. So Dr. Onyedika, please take me as a client and just show Nigerians, Africans and the world how this machine works. Do you need to take my blood?
Not at all.
Ah, wow, okay, show us.
You know, it's called a non-linear system analyzer. All right. So what it means is that we have other devices that are examples of linear system analyzer. So when we say this is a non-linear system analyzer, what it does is that it takes a full body scan of the organ, tissues and cells of the body, and then the ones that flag stress, the ones that flags red in quotes, will require further investigation. Okay, so that's why it's called non-linear. Non-linear means the analysis is not straightforward. So it positions you to take the results or the organs that are stressed, the organs that are flagging red, to go and do further investigation on another platform in the software until you get a confirmatory result. So if you look at this headset, all right, you will see that this right side is just an attachment, but this is where the magic happens. At the left hemisphere of the brain is the cerebral cortex, and that is what this side, this device communicates with and picks the weak electromagnetic frequencies and sends this data into the software, and it is programmed to interpret the organs that have issues by disease name as it's programmed. You know how we do programming, garbage in, garbage out, and if the frequency reaches so and so, it means this person may be suffering from this or that. So that is how it works. So if it's a patient, I'm trying to use mommy as our patient, you put this here, okay? You can see, like I said, at the left hemisphere, and it's in contact with the left ear, and what now happens is that you start your research on the software, it begins to scan and it takes information. So let's just say an average of 30 minutes, you're able to get information that you're looking for of the subhead condition of the entire body. And now you're able to make your recommendations on treatment protocols that will help the body to get back to the state of health.
And I'd like to say this, that I've done this test and it coincides with almost everything I know that my body is going through. But of course, I'm on a journey. I'm getting better and better every day. I'm getting better, and of course, Nigerians always learn to say every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Thank you all very much, and God bless.